Pre-market quiz. Will your home pass the test before going to market? Sellers, will your home pass the test? Can you sell your home right now for top dollar? Or do you need to do a few things to make sure you get the highest amount for your investment? Hi, I'm Danielle Edney of Danielle Edney Homes and Chase Sky Realty Group. Let's take the quiz to see if your home passes and can sell for top dollar. We've sold dozens of homes, so we know what we're talking about. So here we go. When you walk into your house, does it have curb appeal? Does it have fresh landscaping, maybe some black bark, fresh flowers, plants or trees? Is your lawn lavishing green or yellow and crispy? Is the trim freshly painted or possibly even a new paint job? If not, you need to hire an agent who cares more about getting you top dollar than possibly hurting your feelings, telling you what to do. Have you done the 3 Ds? Decluttered, depersonalized, and deep clean. And I mean real deep clean, folks. Like cleaning scuff marks off the baseboards and changing out old lights. Have you put away family photos, personalized items, and family heirlooms? Have you decluttered each room to showcase the space? Yes, these things matter. Are the walls painted in neutral color? Have you patched holes in the walls? Do you have old carpeting? If so, have they been professionally cleaned and deodorized? How about the kitchen? Are your countertops and cabinets still the same as they were 15 years ago? If so, they may need refreshing, like grout cleaning or paint. You see, all of this matters. Okay, this one is a big one. The smell test. Did you know that most people have a smell in their home? Yes, it's true. We love our pets, but sometimes they can leave a lingering odor, or maybe certain foods that you like to make, they may leave a lingering smell. What about miscellaneous repairs? Have you fixed the leaky faucet or running toilet? Just making a few small repairs can add more value to your home. And finally, have you compared your home to the competition? I mean, everyone, including me, thinks they have the best home on the block. Have you looked at other properties similar to yours to see their value versus your home? So, I challenge you to take the quiz on a scale from 1 to 10 to see if you're ready to put your house on the market right now to sell for top dollar, or if you need to make a few changes. Most of us need to make a few changes. If you would like more information on how to sell your home for top dollar in today's market, please reach out to my team and I so we can give you a comprehensive evaluation of your home. My name is Danielle Edney with Your Perfect Home Made in LA. We get calls every day from people just like you. So whether you are thinking of selling in 9 days or 9 months, feel free to reach out as our contact information is in the description box below. We would be happy to help you make a smooth transition here in Los Angeles, California. If you like this video, and I hope that you do, hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell right now so that you can be the first to know more about living in and moving to Los Angeles.